Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make SVG Figma, full guide. Start by creating a new frame, then draw simple shapes using the pen or shape tools and group them logically for exports. Name your layers clearly, use Boolean operations to combine shapes, and apply consistent fills and strokes. Finally, test scaling to ensure vectors remain crisp and export as SVG with optimized settings for web use. Begin by organizing your file structure and using frames for each icon or asset you plan to export. Convert any text to outlines to prevent font mismatches and simplify redundant anchor points to keep the SVG lightweight. Apply consistent stroke widths and consider using strokes inside shapes to avoid alignment shifts. Preview your design at multiple scales to confirm clarity and prepare separate assets for different use cases. When exporting, select each asset and set export format to SVG, checking any necessary options like outline text or flattening transforms. If you plan to animate or script the SVG, keep ID and clear layer names. Otherwise, export a cleaned version for production. Use an external optimizer to strip metadata, combine redundant paths, and reduce file size. Finally, test the exported SVG in multiple browsers to ensure consistent rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.